Hello everybody, this is Ed back with another video, and today I'm checking out some neighborhoods back in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Checking out the neighborhoods of Ashley and Cherry Creek. Baton Rouge is the capital of Louisiana. According to datausa.io, in 2022 the population was 225,500. The Baton Rouge metro population is at 870,569. The five largest ethnic groups in Baton Rouge are Black or African American at 52.4%, White at 35.8%, Asian at 3.81%, multiracial or mixed race at 3.1%, and other at 1.86%. So the crime in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, this information is coming from homesnacks.com based on most recent available data released on October 17, 2023. There were 15,130 total crimes committed in Baton Rouge the last reporting year. The overall crime rate in Baton Rouge is 196.02% above the national average. Baton Rouge ranks number 102 safest out of 110 cities in Louisiana. Baton Rouge ranks number 9,705 safest out of 9,869 cities in the United States. So the median household income in Baton Rouge is $50,155. Median property value is $217,700. Median age is 31.9 years old. Employed population is 104,955. Poverty rate is at 24%. Doing some research before I came down here, found out that the city of Baton Rouge is going to be losing a huge part of their city. The southeast part is going to be a new incorporated city in Louisiana. This city is going to have 86,000 people that used to be under the city of Baton Rouge. Now it's incorporated, and the city is called St. George. It became the 5th largest city in Louisiana and the 2nd largest city in East Baton Rouge Parish. 86,000 people. That is a lot of taxes, or a lot of tax money that will not be going to the city of Baton Rouge anymore. And reading up on it, officials or the founders of the city cite that the high crime rates and concerns with the city parish spending as reasons they want their own government. So they just said, screw it. We're going to create our own stuff down here. And they actually put the proposal up to be voted on back in 2019. And they won. But it's been held up in courts all these years. And finally, I think in April, the Louisiana Supreme Court, they voted that they can have their own city. 86,000 people. Dang, that's a lot of taxpayers. I wish everybody involved in this good luck. Hope it works out. And that's all you can say. The people spoke. The court backed it. What is there else to do? Let them build their city. So we'll have to check out St. George.